Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash in Animal Crossing. Your stash, or home storage, is a vital tool for managing your inventory and keeping your island tidy. It allows you to store a vast number of items, freeing up your pockets for collecting new resources and treasures. We'll cover how to access it, organize it efficiently, and even expand its capacity to hold even more of your valuable belongings. Accessing your stash is incredibly simple. Inside your home, you can open your storage by interacting with any wardrobe, dresser, or even a refrigerator. If you're out and about on your island, a convenient storage shed allows you to access your entire inventory from almost anywhere. This means you never have to run all the way home just to grab a specific item. Keeping your stash organized saves a lot of time. You can manually arrange items by type, like furniture, clothing, or crafting materials. The game also offers a handy sort function that automatically groups similar items together, making it much easier to find what you need. A well-organized storage system ensures you spend less time searching and more time enjoying your island life. As your collection grows, you'll want to expand your storage. This is directly tied to upgrading your home. Each time you pay off a home loan and expand your house, your storage capacity automatically increases. Eventually, you can reach a massive capacity of 5,000 items, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your treasures and crafting supplies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.